Hey guys, today we're going to solve LeetCode number 1557, minimum number of vertices to reach all nodes. We're given a directed acyclic graph with n vertices and an array edges that represent the directed edges in our graph. We need to find the smallest set of vertices from which all nodes in the graph are reachable. So for example, in this graph, the smallest set of vertices from which all nodes in the graph are reachable are 0 and 3. So if we start from this node and this node, we can reach all of the rest of the nodes in our graph. So what we're going to do here is we're going to prove that it is necessary for our nodes in our result to have 0 incoming edges. So why is that true? Well, let's pretend that there was another node here that had an edge with our 0 node. Now, 0 node would then have 1 incoming edge. And so it would no longer be needed in our result set because we could just start from the node before it so that we had a smaller set. We would have then a smaller set. So that would be advantageous for us. Now we're going to have to prove that it is a sufficient condition for our nodes to have 0 incoming edges for them to be part of our resulting set. Now this is only true because our graph is acyclic. So if there was a cycle, for example, if there was an edge going from node number 1 to node number 0, then both nodes would not have 0 incoming edges. They would have at least 1 incoming edge. But one of those two should still be needed in our result set. However, because we're guaranteed that there are no cycles, then this situation will never happen. So it is guaranteed that all and only the nodes that have 0 incoming edges will have to be part of our result. So the way we're going to do this here, we're going to initialize a variable that is a set of nodes with no incoming edge, and then we're going to have to return it. And we're going to initialize this set with all of the nodes. So initially we're going to assume that all of the nodes have 0 incoming edges. So here's how we are going to do this. We're going to build an array that has all of the numbers from 0 to n. So it has a length of n, and we can use this callback function that just returns the index of the element, and that's the set with all of the nodes initially. So now we're just going to loop through all of the edges, and we're going to remove from this set all of the nodes that have at least 1 incoming edge. So we'll loop through all of the edges and remove from the set the nodes that have at least 1 incoming edge. So that's it. We're going to submit the solution, and indeed it works. So thank you. That's it for now, and bye.